For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Welcome aboard to the Villains Tram. For your safety, please keep all hands, arms, and feet inside the tram at all times. If you happen to drop something outside the tram, once we get to our next stop, please inform the nearest cast member and they will get it for you. Tonight, the Magic Kingdom Park is open until 1 a.m. and the trams will be running until about 2:30 a.m. We are about 1.5 miles away from the Magic Kingdom. Please take one of our courtesy monorails or courtesy ferry boats and they will get you to the park. Did you know that at the Magic Kingdom you are able to pre-plan up to 3 Fast Pass Plus selections? Please see a kiosk cast member for more details. Once again, this is a Villains Tram. You guys are parked in Scar Row 120, Scar Row 120, Scar Row 120. Raise your hand if you think that I've said this enough times. That should be everyone. Do you guys want me to say it a few more times? Okay, Scar Row 120, Scar Row 120. Raise your hand if you know where you're parked at. Alright, that's everyone. You guys are good. Today when we drop you off is exactly where we'll pick you up at the end of the night, so please do not go to Heroes Pickup Area, because if you do it, we'll not take you to your car. Sit back, hold tight, driver, you're all clear. You know, you guys don't seem too excited to be going to the park. Are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? Good. Cool. Tram, please make sure that you exit to your driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only. Also, please make sure that you set up all of your belongings past that yellow line for me. Thank you. Once again, when I say on the tram, please exit to your driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only. This is not our stop, folks. Please remain seated. Once again, this is not our stop. Sit back, hold tight, driver, all clear. One exit tram. Please exit to your driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only. Also, please make sure that you set up all of your belongings past that yellow line. Thank you. For your safety, please remain back behind that yellow line until everyone has gotten off the tram. Once again, please remain back behind that yellow line until everyone has gotten off the tram. Everybody wait, just keep waiting. Look ahead, watch your step, have a magical day. Exit to your driver's left-hand side and left-hand side only.
Please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member.
Toy driver are clear to your bar answer. Once the train is about to come, we're going to the parking area. They can stop at the bar, dessert, goods, car, and restaurant. Our first stop will be Jafar and third. Our first stop will be Jafar and third. Jafar 70 to 76. Third goes 101 to 110. Please remain seated until the truck starts complete stop. Please wait for the police stop. Wait for the stop. Okay, watch your step, lay your head. Will be Hood and Scar. Hood 77 to 93. Scar, roads 111 to 127. Please remain seated until the truck starts to complete stop. Please wait for the complete stop. Wait for the stop. Wait. 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 Good. Okay, watch your step, lay your head.